Welcome to Miguel Cars, and as promised, this is the internal view of the Nissan Pathfinder. And as usual, we like to start our videos with a look at the engine and its components. Give you a view of what the engine of the car and its bits and pieces look like. I'll ask questions about the AC system there. I see that pipe doesn't have a cover, but we've been assured that air conditioning works in all these cars here, but I always advise check. Here again we have an open. Usually there is at least a cover over it, but we'll find out. And that's the engine. We shall now move on to have a look at the front passenger side. This shall be a visual walkthrough. On the car, its interior. This car has cloth seats, as you can see. You can have a look at the ceiling and all the different parts of the ceiling there. Look at the dashboard. Stick, four-wheel drive shift. It is a four-wheel drive. From here we will move on to the back seat. Alright, back seat of the car. Look at the door. Look at the seating. Check is there. Yeah. The belt is there. Just making sure. Belt's on the other side. This is a look at what the car looks like. The middle seat belt is there. The back of the car. Now let's move on to looking at the boot. This is a view from the back. Reasonable sized boot. Now that's the back view of the Nissan Pathfinder. So I'll go to the back, passenger driver's side, have a look. And here we have the driver's side door front. Look at what it looks like internally. Dashboard, steering controls, and that is the driver's side. Take a walk back to the front engine. That's it. I hope this video helps you in your decision making. Once again, thank you for watching Mummy Girl Cars.